Cedric, I should be on now, right?
Yes, it's on. It's on.
Okay, everybody. Do you have any words of wisdom? Do you have any words of wisdom for us?
No.
Where are you from?
Here.
Ah, do you lived here all your life?
No, just 3 years
Ah, where were you before?
on the mainland.
Very pretty city. Very beautiful city. Yeah.
What we're used to. It's a tourist town.
Yeah.
So, a lot of festivals all summer long. But you can take part or you don't have to.
Sure.
You get tired of leave town.
So somebody gonna get my stick? Whew.
Oh, it's getting closer.
Whoa! Wow. Woo! Hands, wristbands up. Wristbands up.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Just a little advisory. When you're from the start, you cannot impede the navigation channel. Does that make sense? So there's some buoys all around the circle. You want to stay inside those. And stay close to it. Don't veer out.
Okay, attention on the boat. No talking from now on. Yeah, we checked. Okay, you saw from that finish. Look how close it is. So you're going to give me everything you got. We've done a lot of traveling to get here. We're going to put everything into it the entire race.
Well, 1 and 2. Hello. So we just have a little advisory. Make sure that you guys stay close to the coach boat and on this side, preferably as close as you can to us. Do not impede the navigation channel because that has problems with all the other boats that are going through because obviously we have a lot of traffic. So make sure you stay towards the inside of the buoy line where you're supposed to enter, okay? And stay close to us. Got it?
Yay.
Right side, hands off, balance check. Everybody, hips to the gunnel. Good nod. Right side, back up.
Just a reminder, you've got to give it all because you're on film. Anybody shirks their responsibility, we're going to see you. Scott, you keep hitting yourself, but you don't get more beautiful. Hello?
Hello.
We're going to beat you out there.
I don't think so because we're in the next race.
We're going to beat you to the finish. We're going to beat you to the finish. I guarantee it. We're going to get the finish before them. I was right. I'm just remembering not to fall off the boat. That's the most important thing when you're the drummer. Good time to practice your breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. You look beautiful, everybody.
Okay, both 1, 2, and 3. My name's Sam, and I'm going to be following behind you today. Please stay in the closest order as you can.
Take it away.
Really awesome if we didn't show up at 3, 1, and 2.
Wow.
I know.
Feels good, you guys.
Boat 1, please follow in behind boat 4. Do not cut it. Boat 2, please remain behind boat.
Let it run. Hold the boat. Take it away.
We need practice start?
I don't know. Are we? Should we do it?
Oh, ask. You can.
Can we do a practice start? Okay. No. She said call it now. Should I?
Okay. Paddlers, are you ready? Attention, please.
Hold on.
We're going into the start after boat 3. We're going to go in reverse order, okay? After 3, in reverse order.
Can we do it now? Can we do it? Okay.
Attention, please.
Did you hear that, boat 1?
Whenever you're ready.
In reverse
Attention,
order.
please.
Drive your left.
Go.
To the start, okay?
2, 3, 4, 5. Up, up, up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hold. Good job, everybody.
That's how it goes. It's water traffic. Hold hard. Stop the boat.
Well, hold hard. Okay.
Boat 2 and 3, please.
Camille's calling.
From the navigation channel towards start.
Call your start.
Call your start. Paddlers, are you ready? Attention, please. Go. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5. Up, up, up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, up, up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach and push.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hold.
Hands up. Hands up. Who's calling us? Damn it.
Camille's calling. Take it away.
We can't hear.
Okay.
Just to let you know.
Okay.
That's why we can't, like.
I can't always tell what she's saying back there. So. Hold the boat! Hold the boat! Hold hard!
At least turn your head and get there.
Left side pole! Pole! Left side pole!
Right side lean out.
Left side pole!
Right side lean out. Right side lean out.
Right side lean out!
Paddles up.
Take it away!
I can't even hear her.
I can't.
I can't even hear her. Thank you, because I can't even hear it. Andy's going to try to repeat.
Good. Because I can't always tell you. Everybody focus on the boat. Couple good deep breaths. We're almost there. Woo, it's beautiful. We're going to paddle really hard, but take a few deep breaths and just enjoy being here.
Thank you. Hold. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Hold.
Back it down, please. Hold, hold up. Back it down.
Side hold. Side hold.
Come about. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold hard, please.
No teasing our host.
Run, hold.
Prepare to back paddle. 3 back paddles. 1, 2, 3. Paddles up. Take it away easy. Get ready here.
Here's person in lane 1. You might want to run a little higher to your right so you don't get pushed on the marker, okay? Great work, everybody.
Hold. Hold.
Person in lane 5, come to your right. You need to make room for 4.
Paddles up.
Come on up 2. Let it run
Take it
1.
easy.
In 4.
Hold.
Let it run 2. Don't stop, please. 2. Let your boat run. Bring it up 3. And give me a stroke 5. Hold 1, please. Hold hard 1. Let it run 2.
Let it run.
3. Bring it up 4. Hold 2.
Paddles up.
Hold 2.
Take it away easy.
Hold 2.
Hold 2. Hold.
Hold 2. Please back your boat down 2 feet. Come on 5. Bring your boat up, please. Hold 4. Hold 3. Hold 2 now.
Hold. Hold 2.
Hold 5, please. Thank you. Now, boat number 2. Bring it up 1 feet to account for your backward drift, and we're good.
1, 2.
Thank you. Now 2 hold.
2 hold.
1 feet forward and hold. All other boats hold.
Get your paddles in the water. We have alignment. Ready. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, up, up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, up, up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each and push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reach. Twist. Rotate. Reach. You're doing great. Come on. Come on. Give it all you got. Little more. Come on. Reach. Rotate. Reach. Rotate. Reach. Rotate. Reach. Rotate. Looking good. Keep it strong. Reach. Rotate. Come on. Come on, give it some more. Reach. Rotate. Reach. Rotate. Reach. Rotate. Come on. Bit more. Reach. Rotate. action here. Keep your... Two strokes back. Hold the boat. She's not saying anything. She's looking around. Very good, very good. You were so far ahead of the other two boats, but I just kept you going.